Hi there, my name is Ian Quackenboss, and on behalf of the Hawk.io team, I'll be presenting this pitch today. There's a big problem. Verifying software releases is slow, costly, and is prone to human error. In fact, in 2018, the cost of poor software quality hit $2.8 trillion in the US alone. $6.5 billion is the expected size of the market for software improvement by 2026. And 19.2% is the average expected CAGR between 2018 and 2023 for those in the software delivery and verification market, meaning there's a very high expected rate of return. How the problem is solved today is not efficient. There are security patches, which could have been avoided altogether, versioning rollbacks, which just create missing features, tedious custom script, which gets broken with software updates, and manual testing across teams, which is oftentimes time-consuming and not comprehensive enough. At Hawk.io, we're revolutionizing how this is done. We're automating software delivery securely. We do this in three ways. First, we analyze the risk of all the code that is going to be placed in a production environment using machine learning to run these tests rather than people. Next, we automatically generate a risk score from 1 to 100, letting engineers know if they should release or refine the code further before pushing it out. Lastly, we scan the code for industry compliances like GDPR, HIPAA, PCI DSS, and others. Our licensing is simple and straightforward. We have an open source community edition which is governed by the SSPL license, used by Elastic and MongoDB themselves. We have a paid commercial edition with enterprise support, which is licensed per month, per year, and we have multi-annual options available. Next, we have a free education and nonprofit edition. Our product is available on-premise or on the cloud, so you can run it on public, private, or hybrid clouds, or on your own infrastructure or bare metal. We're priced per user, and as you add users, the cost per user drops, so it's scale friendly. Our go-to-market focuses on 4 key verticals: financial services, healthcare, telecommunications, and government, where compliances have to be met, and software is released constantly to meet our most critical demands. All our team comes from tech. I'm an enterprise sales lead at SearchGuard, where I've closed 7-figure deals with Fortune 500 companies, and I've scaled it from pre-revenue to 10 million in annual recurring revenue. My co-founder Courtney Cochran is a machine learning engineer at Microsoft. At Davidson, she was the recipient of the R. Bruce Jackson Award, and she obtained a GPA of 3.96 in mathematics. My co-founder, Micah Brown, is a software engineer at Twitch, a part of Amazon Web Services, where he configured automatic deploys, tests, rollbacks, and has worked as a lead in implementation. Lastly, my co-founder Martin O'Brien is a principal engineering lead at CrowdStrike. He's also a distinguished platform engineer with 15 plus years of enterprise security experience down to the kernel level. We're currently in discussions for alpha beta testing at a Fortune 100 retailer in the North Carolina area, a stockbroker in the Fortune 500 space, and with Quant, a software development firm in Boston, Massachusetts. When it comes to funding, we believe that life is a matter of choices and that every choice you make makes you. If you pick us, we expect to make you a significant return on your investment. And by picking us, you're also going to help Davidson College because we plan to hire recent graduates as well as current students as interns. None of this would have been possible without our mentors, which we'd like to send a very special thanks to, as well as Davidson College, everyone involved at the Davidson Venture Fund, and the Heart Hub at Davidson for having put this together. Thank you very much. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.